What is going on, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're actually in the garage and we're fabbing up a mount for my jerry can that's going to go on the back of my Jeep. So let's get to it. This is the mount here. It's going to roughly sit like that. So let's go back into the garage and get this traced onto a piece of metal. So here we go, here my template, and as you can kind of see, still have to do it a little bit better, my piece of metal. So let's get to cutting. Alright, so here it is, temped out on a piece of metal. Let's go get it fitted onto my Jeep and see how it looks before we hit it with some paint. Alright, this is day 2. Yesterday I had some camera mishaps and a couple of the last few clips ended up corrupting themselves. But I did test fit it, it fits good, and I did get it painted. Kind of went with like a fire engine red. Kind of looks pretty good. I like the way it turned out. It looks nice and shiny, both sides. So this is how it looks here, utilizing the 2 bolts originally from my license plate mount. And then just back this out a little. She should go on there, just like that. Oh, might have to back it out a little bit more, but there we go. That's how it's going to sit. Fits really nice. Nice and sleek. You can't even really see it, except for the 2 sides here, which I'm happy I went with the red because it matches the tank, and it's perfect because the mount reverse fits here perfectly, so I can use this for a water mount if I'd like to in the future. So that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Just a nice, quick, simple, easy install of something that I didn't want to buy. I felt like making it myself. So thanks for checking in. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Take care, guys.